Despite the dense fog and freezing conditions that greeted us the next morning, with our guide we made our way into the park by rickshaw up to the central area and warmed ourselves around the open fire. Close by we could at least make out this spotted owlet through the mist. And there were plenty of bank miners and jungle babblers around. Even a young blue bull antelope came to join us. Just a short walk away there was plenty to see, albeit through the mist. I think this is a darter, and a black-crowned night heron has just flown in. The Indian pond heron. In the mist, a black-rumped flameback, which is a woodpecker. Northern shovelers, males with the more striking plumage and females mostly brown. A very misty group of 4-month-old painted storks. An Indian shag on the left with the larger cormorant on the right. And a little grebe. A Brahminy starling. At least the mist has lifted to catch this painted stork feeding its 3 chicks. And this is a 5-striped palm squirrel. What a joy it was around lunchtime to see the sun come out. Suddenly there was colour. Just look at this white-throated kingfisher, especially the blue backview. Darter and pond heron seem to appreciate the sun too. Hiding behind the foliage, I'm not sure if this is a spotted or forest owlet, or a hybrid, or even another owlet. The common kingfisher. Cotton pygmy geese. Ashyprinia. A spot-billed duck which is a resident, with a moorhen to the left. The great white pelican, also known as the rosy pelican. They tend to flock in a horseshoe shape so that they can herd fish into shallow water. And these are gadwalls, with the males having the black-tipped tail. Lesser whistling ducks, which are also resident. A lesser whitethroat. A black redstart. Purple swamp hens. The northern pintail ducks, seen here in flight. Perhaps they'd spotted a predator such as this Pallas's fish eagle. Samba deer. A marsh harrier. Another black-crowned night heron, perhaps he's looking for fish. A spotted sandpiper. A purple heron. More samba deer females in the sunshine. Glossy ibis. Just caught this imperial eagle in flight. An Indian roller. A rather long-distance shot of a common buzzard. And just managed to sight this greater cuckoo before it retreated into the undergrowth. Here a big group of blue bull antelopes in the late afternoon sun, mostly females but 2 or 3 young males with little horns. This Indian nightjar was well camouflaged, just by the side of the road. And this bird of prey we think is a shikra. Can you help us identify this bird? Bar-headed geese. They are the highest flight bird in the world, apparently. White-tailed lapwing. This black-necked stork is the male of the only pair in the sanctuary. He has blue eyes and the female has yellow. The late afternoon sun certainly did justice to these painted storks. These are 4-month-old babies in their nest. We'd only seen the tip of the iceberg, so to speak, and we definitely hope to revisit this amazing place, but perhaps when the climate is a little warmer. We could have continued watching these painted storks, but all too soon it was time to leave the sanctuary to spot wildlife on the Chambal River, followed by a visit to the Taj Mahal. You can see the next part of our journey on Chambal River Cruise and Taj Mahal, January 2013. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to view our still photos, please visit our website. Canvas prints, cards and magnets of these pictures and more can be purchased on our website. http://jrphotography.webplus.net